Yara, Zaya and Jovi Dufren are appearing on 90 Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After, but many viewers are already urging Yara to leave her rude husband. Jovi Dufren and Yara Zaya are both imperfect, but many 90 Day Fiancé fans believe that Yara is too good for her husband. Yara and Jovi joined the cast of 90 Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After, Season 7. Though only 2 episodes have aired so far, viewers are already furious about how Jovi has spoken to his wife. This has led to 90 Day Fiancé fans encouraging Yara to leave the New Orleans native. Yara and Jovi met while the underwater mechanics engineer was traveling for work. The duo shared similar partying lifestyles, enjoying traveling, and having fun. Yara then moved to the US to be with Jovi after they got engaged. The Ukrainian woman dealt with a miscarriage before discovering she was pregnant with baby Mila. Jovi and Yara wed during the unplanned pregnancy despite their many issues. Though they seem happy online, their new plotline on Happily Ever After has shed doubt on the durability of their marriage. While Yara has been called out for being fake and materialistic, she has undoubtedly shown growth in the 90 Day Fiancé franchise. Yara traded in her past lifestyle as soon as she had baby Mila and committed herself to being a loving and dedicated mother who put her child first. However, Jovi showed much more resistance when it came to changing. The Louisiana party boy made it clear that he wanted to continue partying and going to strip clubs. This led to Yara accompanying Jovi to a strip club during their anniversary to try and embrace his hobby. However, Jovi notoriously refused Yara's request to leave when she had had enough and instead blew kisses to a stripper and started a massive argument. This caused many viewers to pan Jovi for his disrespectful behavior.